always makes me reflective. Maybe it's the quiet, or the way everything slows down, or the way snow softens even the hardest landscapes. With Valentine's Day around the corner, I've been thinking a lot about love. Not the kind we see in films, not the big gestures or dramatic speeches, but the kind of love that lasts.
I am waiting for the tram to go trim my hair. Obviously this is in my eyes, and here it's longer than you might think, especially if you never cut your hair short. I like having it shaved, and I like the sound of the shaver. So hopefully I can film a little bit of the cut, and you can see it as well. I go once a month to this amazing hairdresser, and she's much younger than I am, but she's very creative. So yeah, this is it.
After 13 years together, I've realized something important. Love should feel safe. And not just romantic love. All relationships, friendships, family, work relationships, the people we let into our lives. They should feel safe. Safe enough to be yourself. Because love isn't supposed to feel like walking on eggshells. Over the years, I've changed. Truly. Drastically. We both have. I've grown. I've colored and cut my hair. I've moved countries. I've discovered new parts of myself. And real love, healthy love, makes space for that change. It doesn't punish it. It doesn't compete with it. It supports it.
How was my tarja? Out of 10? Really?
11. It was really, really good. I loved the ricotta you used this time. Salting and peppering of everything. It was really delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Safety in a relationship means you don't have to perform. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be smaller. You can just be. And I think that's something we don't talk about enough. We talk about passion, chemistry, compatibility, but we don't talk enough about calm, about steadiness, about knowing someone won't use your vulnerabilities against you. That kind of safety is powerful. It allows you to build a life together instead of constantly protecting yourself. And it's not always loud. Sometimes it looks like quiet walks, shared meals, simple routines, choosing each other on ordinary days. I've also learned that safety goes both ways. It's not just about feeling safe. It's about being safe for someone else, listening without attacking, disagreeing without disrespect, holding space instead of holding power. Love changes us. If it's healthy, it softens us. It strengthens us. It makes us braver in the world because we know we're not alone in it. And if a relationship doesn't feel safe, romantic or otherwise, it's worth asking why. Because you deserve relationships that feel like home, not like survival. This winter, I'm grateful for the kind of love that feels steady, the kind that grows quietly, the kind that lets me be fully myself. And I hope you have that too.